Welcome to Innoven Foods. Today we are making a simple and refreshing mango dessert that's creamy, fruity and requires no baking. With fresh mangoes, cream and soft biscuits, this easy dessert is perfect for summer or any special occasion. Let's start the recipe. First take 1 cup fresh mango pieces, add them to a blender. Use ripe and sweet mangoes for the best flavor. Add 3 tablespoons sugar. Blend until the mixture becomes smooth and creamy. Keep aside 1 tablespoon of the mango puree for decorating later. Now add half cup heavy cream to the remaining mango puree. Blend again until everything is light and smooth. Take dessert cup, spread a layer of the mango cream mixture. No-bake desserts are perfect when you want something quick and easy. Dip a biscuit quickly into milk. Place the soaked biscuit over the mango cream mixture. Spread another layer of the mango cream mixture. Dip the biscuit quickly in milk so it stays soft without falling apart. Add a few fresh mango chunks. Fresh mango adds natural sweetness and vibrant color to every bite. Spread some mango cream mixture. Layered dessert look beautiful and make every spoonful more exciting. Now pour the reserved mango puree on top. Use a toothpick or square to create a beautiful swirl pattern. Create the swirl pattern gently for a beautiful homemade presentation. Refrigerate the dessert for 1 hour until nicely chilled. Chill the dessert for at least 1 hour before serving. Enjoy it cold for the best flavor and texture. Once set, your creamy mango dessert is ready to serve. Your homemade mango dessert is ready. Creamy layers, juicy mango pieces, and a refreshing fruity flavor make this a delicious treat. Serve it chilled and enjoy every delicious spoonful with your family and friends. Follow Innoven Foods for more delicious dessert baking recipes and refreshing treats.